Hi guys, good morning from Amritsar in Punjab, India. My name is Bobby. I'm bringing you one of the local delicacies in Punjab, or in Amritsar actually. It's called the Amritsari Kulcha. Today we are at Kulcha Land. There we go. So Kulcha Land is one of those places which has come from many recommendations. So as I was visiting Amritsar, I thought, let's go and see what this fuss is all about. Please follow me.
A kulcha is an Indian flatbread similar to a naan. It's normally stuffed with a potato and onion filling. It's light, crispy and fluffy.
Okay, so cooking here is we've got a chickpea curry, okay? And then it's also served with a chutney made of onions. The chutney is made of onions. I'll serve cold. The chickpea curry here is served with the kulcha, which I'm about to show you. Okay, and the chickpea curry is served hot. Okay, so here's the guys behind the magic of the kulche. Okay, so as you can see, they're preparing kulche in the tandoor, which is the clay oven. The clay oven is just here. Okay. Okay, so this is the finished product just now on the left hand side. Okay, so let me just show you how they prepare. Unfortunately, you're not going to get to see me eat them because I've already eaten mine. But I thought, as we're here, let's capture the moment, okay? So, first of all, as you can see, the dough is rolled, and then small parts of the dough are put into small balls, and then they are filled, with this potato and onion filling. Okay? So, if you just want to watch this gentleman here, Okay, so we're just watching this now. Okay, so once the actual ball of dough is filled with the onion and potato stuffing, it is rolled on the other side. Okay. Once it is rolled, it is then put into the clay oven, which is also known as a tandoor. Can we have a look at that one, please? Wow. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so we're just waiting for these kulche to come out of the tandoor, the clay oven. And then what's going to happen is they're going to soak the top of them with butter, which we're going to get to see just now. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so guys, that was the kulcha of Amritsar. Amritsar is famous for many things, like the fish. It's famous for lots and lots of things. However, the kulcha is what it's actually famous for as well. So Amritsar is famous for its kulcha and its kulcha culture.